Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about cashing out on Wealthsimple every day. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to finally answer it for you. Before we get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about what Wealthsimple Every Day is. It's a robo-advisor that helps you invest your money automatically. You simply tell them your risk tolerance and investment goals, and they'll do the rest. Wealthsimple Every Day is a great option for people who are new to investing or who don't have a lot of time to manage their own portfolio. It's also a good option for people who are looking for a low-cost way to invest. Can you cash out on Wealthsimple every day? The short answer is yes, you can cash out on Wealthsimple every day. However, there are a few things you need to know before you do. First, you need to understand that there are fees associated with cashing out your investments. These fees can vary depending on the amount of money you withdraw and the type of account you have. Second, you need to be aware of the tax implications of cashing out your investments. If you've held your investments for less than a year, you'll likely have to pay capital gains tax on any profits. Third, you need to consider the impact that cashing out your investments will have on your overall financial goals. If you're cashing out your investments to pay off debt or for a specific purpose, that's fine. However, if you're cashing out your investments simply because you're feeling impatient or nervous, it's probably not a good idea. When should you cash out on Wealthsimple every day? There are a few reasons why you might want to cash out on Wealthsimple every day. Here are a few examples. You need the money for a specific purpose, such as a down payment on a house or a college education. You're experiencing financial hardship and need to access your money. You're no longer happy with the performance of your investments. You want to switch to a different investment platform. If you're considering cashing out on Wealthsimple every day, it's important to weigh the pros and cons carefully. Make sure you understand the fees and tax implications involved, and make sure that cashing out your investments is the right decision for your financial goals. How to cash out on Wealthsimple every day. Cashing out on Wealthsimple every day is easy. Simply log into your account and click on the Withdraw button. You'll be asked to enter the amount of money you want to withdraw and the reason for the withdrawal. Once you've submitted your request, your money will be transferred to your bank account within a few days. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. If you're interested in learning more about Wealthsimple every day, I encourage you to check out their website. They offer a free trial, so you can see if it's the right investment platform for you. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching today's video on cashing out on Wealthsimple every day. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. I'll see you next time.